I have a raise dashboard? Yes. View your dashboard at wefunder.com/yourcompany/manage. There you'll see important dates, when your round started, when it's closing, your deal structure, term summary, SEC filings, and all of your investors' contact info. How can I track my investors' activity and see their contact info? Your dashboard. Your dashboard will show you a list of your investors, the status of their investments, personal notes they've sent you, and their emails. Download a CSV file for their full info, including their emails and more. How can I respond to investors' questions? You can answer questions in the Ask a Question tab at wefunder.com/yourcompany/ask. Avoid answering detailed questions about your raise off the Wefunder platform. Remember, if someone submits a question on your page, you've got their attention and they're a valuable lead. A slow or ill-formed answer is a wasted opportunity. Act fast. Oodles, for example, who raised $111,393, made it their policy to answer all investor questions posted on their profile within 72 hours. Why it worked? The answers were well-researched, thorough, and prompt. Oodles expertly used investors' questions as an opportunity to demonstrate their expertise and commitment to investors. How can I describe Wefunder to my investors? Well, you can say we're a platform that lets founders raise from the biggest supporters with investments as little as $100. On Wefunder, you're not donating, you're investing. That means you can directly put capital into your favorite restaurant or that tech startup you believe is the next Uber. You're no longer just an avid fan, you're an owner. Plus you'll get owner perks too, like discounts, food credits, free merchandise, etc. There's a link in the description for a blog post to check out. It's called What If Oculus Rift? In 2012, VR pioneer Oculus Rift closed a Kickstarter campaign of $2.4 million. 2 years later, Facebook bought Oculus for $2 billion. If the donation had instead been investments, Kickstarter backers would have seen a 154% return. How can I further educate my investors on equity crowdfunding? Well, point them to our investor FAQ for more on equity crowdfunding and how to use the Wefunder platform. Also, give it a read for yourself so you're well equipped to field questions that often pop up. My investors have questions about their investments. Who should they contact? Direct them to support@wefunder.com. Can investors invest via AltoIRA? Investors are able to invest using their IRA using a partner platform, AltoIRA. Especially for larger investments, we recommend letting investors know about this option. On average, investors funding their investment with an AltoIRA invest 4 times as much as non-AltoIRA investors on Wefunder. Check out this site to learn more or reach out to Alto's Partnership Success Director, Kate Mellinger, at kate@altoira.com. Do you have an example of a full fundraising plan? After helping hundreds of founders fly past their goal, our fundraising team wrote a plan outlining how we would run a campaign. Every campaign has different assets, so it's not a one-size-fits-all process. That said, this was our best shot at creating a generally applicable tool. It's a link in the description. Thank you, Justin.